Do you have night sweats? Watch out for these illnesses. Do you suddenly wake up in the middle of the night just because you are sweating profusely? Sweating is a natural function of the body. However, night sweating can indicate something different. Night sweating is another name for excessive sweating during sleep. This is not always related to sleeping in a hot room or environment. Night sweating is waking in the middle of the night with fully soaked clothes and sheets, even if your room is not that hot. If you find yourself in this situation all the time, there may be some underlying medical conditions behind it. Now let's see which illnesses may cause night sweating. What causes night sweating? 1. Infections. Night sweating can be triggered by your body fighting an infection or an illness, especially illnesses that cause fever, such as tuberculosis, bacterial, viral and fungal infections may be the cause of night sweating. Besides that, long COVID sickness, which is seen after a COVID infection, may cause night sweating. Long COVID is a condition characterized by long-term consequences persisting or appearing after the typical convalescence period of COVID-19. 2. HIV/AIDS. AIDS may cause fever, swollen lymph nodes, joint aches, and night sweating. Symptoms like weight loss and diarrhea appear as well. 3. Overactive thyroid. An overactive thyroid gland or hyperthyroidism is one of the causes for night sweating. 4. Cancer. Leukemia, adrenal cancer, kidney cancer, neuroendocrine tumors or NETs, and lymphoma cancer are known to cause night sweating. Besides, prostate cancer is another cause for night sweating. 5. Menopause. Menopause is one of the biggest reasons of night sweating. Fluctuations of estrogen and progesterone levels result in excessive sweating. Researchers indicate that this condition affects approximately 85% of all women. 6. Diabetes. A low blood sugar level can cause night sweating. Night sweating is widely seen in patients who use injections for their condition. 7. Neurological conditions. The nervous system controls and regulates the sweating. Therefore, conditions such as strokes or neuropathy may cause night sweating. Also, there are some other conditions that are known to cause night sweating. These are anxiety and chronic stress, chronic fatigue syndrome, obesity, orthostatic hypotension, Parkinson's disease, genetic factors, deficiency of folic acid, magnesium, vitamin B12 and D, antidepressants, cortisone, some antifibrils and painkillers, birth control pills. When to be concerned about night sweats? If you are having night sweats occasionally and your sleep is not interrupted, then you don't need to worry about it. However, if you are having difficulty sleeping and having night sweats all the time, you should consult a doctor immediately. If you see these symptoms with the sweating, you should immediately consult your doctor. Inexplicable weight loss, aching throughout the body, high fever and shaking, chronic coughing or blood in cough, diarrhea or stomachache, fatigue, enlarged lymph glands. What is good for night sweats? 1. Sage tea. Researchers indicate that drinking sage tea reduces menopause-induced hot flashes or night sweating in general. To prepare sage tea, just pour a glass of hot water over a teaspoonful of sage leaves. Wait for 10 minutes to simmer down before drinking. In case of a pregnancy, you should consult your doctor first. 2. Flax seeds. Flax seeds contain high amounts of phytoestrogens that help reduce the night sweats. A research has found that night sweating decreased by 50% for people who consumed flax seeds regularly for 6 weeks. 3. Soy products. Soy products have an impact over the hormonal balance, so they may help alleviate the night sweats. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Drinking apple cider vinegar is another good remedy for reducing night sweats and hot flashes. Besides these remedies, you can eat foods that contain vitamin B for night sweats. These are fish, seafood, leafy vegetables, seeds and nuts. Suggestions for a sweatless night. 1. Do not choose a thick fabric for nightgowns. Wear non-synthetic and loose clothing made of breathable fabrics. 2. Go easy on hot spices for all meals but especially at dinner. 3. Refrain from drinking alcohol before going to bed. 4. Stay away from all tobacco products. Cigarettes may cause excessive night sweating. 5. Caffeine is another factor that can trigger night sweating. Try to limit your coffee intake to 2 cups every day and try not to drink coffee after 2 p.m. 6. Keep a balanced diet, be active, and drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. 7. Keep away from stress. You can use methods such as yoga, meditation, and breath work. 8. Do not overheat your bedroom and keep the air fresh in the room. Lower your heater temperature. When it is not cold outside, keep a window slightly open. 9. Have a lukewarm shower before bedtime. 10. Refrain from foods which contain additives and brain stimulants. These are monosodium glutamate, artificial sweeteners, aspartate, and exorphins.